orange juice, apple juice, soda. Sunny D, all right. All right, made it over to the 90s building. Nice little Y2K sign. It's a nice little rainy day today here at Walt Disney World. And here's my room tour. Room 8431. All right, so let's start over here on the left. You got your mini fridge, the clear door so you can see what's in there. Make up your mind first before you even open it. Ice bucket, coffee cups, water cups. I already got the Cuisinart going. It was the first thing I did when I got here. I love these little Cuisinarts. They got the little tiny cups of coffee and you can do 2 at a time. I really like it a lot. And it's Joffrey's coffee. So if you actually open up the drawer below it, you got decaf coffee, artisan roasted coffee, and it just brews 1 cup at a time. You got your Earl Grey tea, Coffee Mate, sweet and low, sugar, and little stirring sticks right there. So it's perfect. There's also 2 outlets back there and a light switch. Light switch is for the lights right here. And then you got your little trash can, your little recycling trash can. Over here on the left, we got some storage spaces. We got tons of shelves. And then here's your safe, right here below the TV. Extra pillow. We got storage spaces over here, 3 shelves, 3 dresser drawers. You got a couple more outlets right here. You got 2 USB, 2 regular plugs. I love those USB hookups, so much easier. I always feel like I never have enough actual plugs, so those USB plugs are perfect. And there's 1 on this side and 1 on that side. And then we have a stunning 55-inch screen TV, which I will be watching Sunday Night Football on later. All right, so new during COVID, we have the remote control. It is cleaned and packaged. Put that back. There's even a list of enhanced cleaning that they're doing for Walt Disney World Resort hotel rooms. Okay. I don't know why I really like this light. I feel like it should be on the ceiling, but it's just right over the 2 little trash cans. Okay, back at the front door, we got a light switch right over here. Oh, that's the big light. And then we have a couple plugs, got those USB ports, storage, 1 shelf, 2 shelf. Right now, this second bed is set up to be a table. I think it's really nice because there's no other table in here because I don't think you could really fit a table in here, to be honest, with both beds down. But this one's perfect. I'm gonna be using that later today with my laptop editing. But right now, it's great because I can use it to eat at or just chill and watch TV at if I want to. But the Murphy bed does come straight down and take up a lot of room. And I'll do that in just a little bit, but for now we'll leave it up. Over on the other side, got your telephone, more USBs, electrical, a nice little cubby right there. These lights are for the 2 lights. I'm not gonna get too much theming at the value rooms, but the value rooms like this one are perfect because, like I said before, the value rooms like Pop Century, you're paying a value price for basically a moderate hotel value. And I will not have a shortage of pillows. Plenty of pillows to go around. It's covering almost half of the bed. And then finally on the other side, we got more USB ports, more electrical light switches, and a nice little cubby. All right, let's show you the bathroom. As you can see, the sliding door is already closed. I closed it. It wasn't like that when I came in. We got a nice little coat rack almost on the side. These doors, they'd slide pretty easily. I'm gonna give it a little bit of push the first time you open it there. All right, so we got the mirror, the sink, we got those H2O plus facial soap, plenty of towels, a little bit of storage underneath, storage on the side, ironing board, little storage space down here. You can hang your stuff here because they don't really have a big closet, not enough space. Over here, you got extra toilet paper, extra Kleenex. Kleenex is right here with that cover. Inside here you have hair dryer and your iron. So if you're ever in your room and you don't know where it is or why it's not out, it's slightly hidden. You also got the other mirror that you have here, the one that you can actually adjust and even turn on the ring light. It's pretty cool. All right. The bathroom is very nice and very new. We got towel rack on the right, light switch, the help us conserve little banner that's up here, reusing towels, conserve water, and also conserve energy. Towel rack right over here, toilet paper, and toilet and trash can. Now, one of my favorite things about this hotel, because they changed everything and they refurbished it, are the new bathrooms. So it is a shower and tub combo. Got a nice little shelf right here. And then you have the shower head that comes straight down, which I love. And then the handheld one right over here. And you can switch it between the two, I believe. And then you have just a normal tub right here as well. Everything's so pristine. They did an amazing job cleaning this room. Like the little tiles. And then over here, you got your H2O plus, and it was clean. They got that plastic overlay on it and the sticker that says cleaned on it. I love the H2O shampoo. Sea Marine. It's every time I use it, and every time I used to get the little bottles of it, they would give you a new one every day when they clean the room. I would not use them at Disney World, and then I would take them home and use them at home, and every time I used them at home, it would instantly remind me, the smell of those shampoos would instantly remind me of my Disney World trips. I'm sure that's super weird to a lot of people. Here is another view of the room. Let me actually, there we go. It's a decent amount of space. They didn't have a lot of space to work with when they did the refurbishments for these rooms, but they really made everything look amazing after they did the refurbishment. I love the fact that the two beds are queen beds now and not smaller. They used to be smaller beds. And then one of them can be brought down or put up. You can use it as a table if you need to. And then this 55-inch flat screen TV. And they didn't like go cheap. Like they didn't get, I don't know, what's Best Buy's brand name TV. These are Samsungs. These are nice TVs. These are not cheap. These will last a long time. All right. Time for this guy. So it's pretty easy. And that's it. There's a nice little light right here that lights up. But you got Pluto asleep, dreaming. Nice little light on top of the whole thing and right there for anyone that sleeps there. And I have plenty of pillows on the other bed to share. Okay, let's go ahead and put it back up. Perfect. Doesn't take too much energy to pull it back down or push it back up, and it doesn't slam down or slam back up. Here is a quick test of the guest Wi-Fi here at Disney's Pop Century Resort. I got their website up on my new laptop, and then I'm even streaming the NFL Red Zone channel on my tablet, and it's got a great picture. It's not slowing down, it's not pausing, it doesn't have to pause and say more bandwidth needed. And I'm watching the Tampa Bay game on the big screen, of course. But yeah, Wi-Fi is pretty darn good. I've been able to use the website. I made some more reservations for the parks, future dates, but the best part is I can watch NFL Red Zone right here, and it's streaming perfectly. So just in case people had questions about the Wi-Fi, how strong it is, how good it is, you can stream TV, live TV, be on a laptop at the same time. And I was using my phone earlier too on Instagram, uploading a photo. Worked perfectly like I was at home. Good morning from Disney's Pop Century Resort. We're headed over to the Skyliner this morning to go to Primo Piatto again for breakfast over at Disney's Riviera. So let's head over to Skyliner. So along the walkway here next to the water, they have random facts like this listed all the way down. Last episode of Mass draws the largest audience for a single TV show, 125 million viewers. I don't think that's ever been broken. I think that one still stands. There are some really great views along this pathway, which a lot of people also use for running. It's really nice. See you later, Pop Century. Be right back. So in the morning, the station over here at Caribbean Beach is crazy.
Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
No Epcot today, just Riviera.
A collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
All right, so we made it to the Riviera for breakfast. Placed my mobile order, and it's actually already ready. So I'm gonna run over and have breakfast. All right, here we are. Primo Piatto for our breakfast. Got the lemon and blueberry pancakes, banana bread, and of course a coffee. Got a nice little spot right next to the kitchen. Morning, Walt. Look at how cute this banana bread is. Of course there's a Mickey on it. The Riviera is really a nice escape from everything else going on at the parks or Disney Springs. And if you're lucky enough to be near one of the Skyliner gondola stations, it's a pretty quick trip. It's so nice and relaxing. And right now in the shade, it's so much cooler than in the sun. So breakfast here at the Riviera was delicious. I had my lemon and blueberry pancakes, as well as a nice coffee. Banana bread I haven't tried just yet, taking that home with me. And the fresh fruit cup, delicious. Strawberries, slices of pineapple, apple, and tangerines.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please...
Well, that's it for my stay here at Pop Century. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. What do mermaids wash their fin with? Tide. See you all next time.